Money management is incredibly important. It helps you feel in control of your life. You can achieve your goals and dreams. You can have a secure future ahead. Money lets you buy things you need daily. It also lets you enjoy life. Think vacations and hobbies. But it's easy to overspend if not careful. That's why managing money is crucial. Good money management means making smart choices. You need to spend less than you earn. This is how you achieve financial stability and peace of mind. Financial planning is like creating a roadmap. Just as a map guides you to your destination, a financial plan guides you towards your financial goals. It provides a clear path to follow, helping you make informed decisions about your money. It guides you towards your financial goals. Whether it's buying a house, saving for your child's education, or planning for retirement, having a roadmap ensures you stay on track. This includes budgeting, saving, and investing. Budgeting helps you manage your day-to-day expenses, saving ensures you have a safety net for emergencies, and investing allows your money to grow over time. It helps you prepare for the future. By planning ahead, you can anticipate potential financial challenges and opportunities, making sure you're ready for whatever comes your way. Start by setting financial goals. These goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of just saying you want to save money, set a goal to save $5,000 in a year. Do you want to buy a house? Retire early? Write down your goals. Next, create a budget. A budget helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring you live within your means and save for your goals. A budget helps you track your income and expenses. It gives you a clear picture of where your money is going and helps you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. It helps you see where your money is going. Finally, think about investments. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving your long-term financial goals. Investing helps you grow your money over time. By putting your money into stocks, bonds, or other investment vehicles, you can take advantage of compound interest and market growth. It's important to start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts can add up significantly over time thanks to the power of compound interest. Life is unpredictable. Job losses, medical emergencies, or a new baby can happen. These events impact your finances. That's why your financial plan needs to be flexible. Don't panic when life throws a curveball. Review your budget, see where you can cut back. Adjust your savings and investment plans if needed. Having an emergency fund is crucial. This fund should cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It acts as a safety net during tough times. Section 4. Building your financial fortress brick by brick. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, patience, and discipline. It's about making your money work for you. Investing is key to building wealth. It allows your money to grow over time. Explore different investment options like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Remember, investing involves risk. It's important to do your research. Consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. They can help you make informed decisions. Section 5. Mastering your budget. The art of smart spending. Budgeting is the cornerstone of good money management. It allows you to control your finances, not the other way around. It's about making conscious spending choices. Start by tracking your expenses. Use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or a notebook. Categorize your spending. Identify areas where you can cut back. Look for subscriptions you don't use. Can you find cheaper alternatives for groceries or utilities? Small changes can add up. Section 6. Conquering debt. Your path to financial freedom. Debt can be a major obstacle to financial well-being. It weighs you down, making it difficult to move forward and achieve your financial goals. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can quickly spiral out of control. The interest accumulates rapidly, making it harder to pay off the principal amount. It's crucial to tackle debt strategically. Without a plan, you might find yourself paying more in interest over time, which can delay your journey to financial freedom. Start by creating a debt repayment plan. This plan should outline all your debts, prioritize them, and set a timeline for repayment. List all your debts, including interest rates and minimum payments. This will give you a clear picture of what you owe and help you prioritize which debts to tackle first. Consider using the debt snowball method. This method involves paying off your smallest debts first, which can provide quick wins and build momentum. Focus on paying off the smallest debt first. Once that debt is cleared, move on to the next smallest and so on. This gives you a sense of accomplishment. Each small victory motivates you to keep going and tackle the next debt on your list. It motivates you to keep going. As you see your debts decrease, you'll feel more in control of your financial situation and more confident in your ability to achieve financial freedom. Section 7, Your Journey to Financial Wellness. This section is all about understanding that managing your finances is a continuous journey, not a one-time event. It's a path filled with learning, growth, and self-discovery. Money management is a journey, not a destination. It's about making consistent small steps towards your financial goals. Each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to financial wellness. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way. You might face unexpected expenses, market downturns, or even personal financial mistakes. These obstacles are a natural part of the journey. The key is to learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. Each setback is an opportunity to learn and grow. By understanding what went wrong, you can make better decisions in the future. Remember to celebrate your successes. Every milestone, no matter how small, is worth celebrating. Did you save a little extra this month? That's a win. Did you avoid unnecessary spending? Another win. Did you stick to your budget for a month? That's a significant achievement. Consistency is key in financial management, and sticking to your budget is a testament to your discipline and commitment. Pay off a credit card? That's a huge step towards financial freedom. Reducing debt not only improves your financial health, but also gives you peace of mind. Take the time to acknowledge your achievements. Money management is personal. What works for one person may not work for another. It's important to find a system that suits your lifestyle and goals. What works for one person may not work for another. Everyone's financial journey is unique. Some may find success with strict budgeting, while others may thrive with a more flexible approach. Find what works best for you. Experiment with different financial tools and strategies. Whether it's using apps, spreadsheets, or traditional pen and paper, the best method is the one that you can stick with. Don't be afraid to seek help from financial experts. They can provide valuable insights and guidance tailored to your specific situation. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness.